building skills and making music I'm proud of, when you think about it, are somewhat a contradiction. Hear me out. Building skills is an ongoing thing that you will always do. So you are changing. Yeah, so you're getting better and better and better. Whereas making a piece of music that you release is a fixed thing. So when my skills are here, I listen to that and I go, oh yeah, that's really good. Yeah. But as I get building more and more skills, I'm like, not sure about that. I didn't really. So I become less and less proud of that thing that I once was proud of. I think a lot of people have it the wrong way round. They think of themselves as fixed and they want the music to be able to change. So that's why we don't finish and we don't release things, because you're always like, well, I can do better than this. I can do better than this. I can do better than this. So you never finish anything, but you don't recognize that you do actually have to make something fixed, which you are going to grow past. So they want the music to change, but they see themselves as being fixed. Well, I can't do that. How on earth could I ever do that? I mean, they've just got this amazing talent that they were born with. Not true. That they were born with. I mean, there are some people who have, we all have a starting point, right? But the majority of things that we do, we learn. I've had 4 boys. Oldest is 14. And it's amazing what a human being can do when they come out. Nothing. The only thing they can do is puke. And yeah, that's basically it. They can't even sleep, can't eat. Nothing. I mean, they can breathe. That's about it. Cry. And that's it. Everything else we've learned. So what I tend to think about my first album, my second album, my third album, is that I'm not actually proud of what they are. I'm proud of the fact that I did them, because I've grown past that. And that's exactly as it wants to be. You can be proud that you did it. It's like a milestone on your path, because if you are building your skills, you can't be proud of the thing that you made forever.